What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go pick up some spacers for the M235i. I've been wanting to get these for a little while now since I got the new wheels. So I did some research on a forum. Should be running 15 in the rear and 10 in the front, but unfortunately the shop who has the spacers only has 15s and 20s. So I'm going to try to run 15s in the front and then 15s in the rear as well, just to see how it goes. It should be okay. It shouldn't poke out too much. We're going to give it a test and go from there. Bit of a gloomy day out, but we are live, so let's go pick up those spacers. And we're here at Focus Rims and Performance, just picking up some spacers here because I don't want to wait on Amazon right now and it's taking a little while, but we're here grabbing the spacers now. What's going on, guys? So we just picked up the spacers from Focus. They're 15 mil all around. They got the extended lug nuts. Unfortunately they did not have black, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna plasti dip the top of the lug nuts just so they can blend in, because I don't know, I wasn't really digging the silver lug nut there. I'll show you guys. I wasn't digging the silver lug nut. Like, I don't think that looks pretty good. I prefer the black. It looks really nice and clean, goes well with the wheel. Yeah, so we're just waiting. We're just waiting for my buddy Tim. He's gonna jack the car up, and speaking of the devil, there he is. Pretty clean, dude. Got my car over there. Hopefully it's a good spot. I really hope we don't get kicked out, but what's up, bro? What are you saying?
Chilling.
So, I hope we don't get kicked out. I was just saying.
We shouldn't.
No? Okay.
It's a $6 shoot, bro.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's not a bad spot. But it's disclosed. No one really knows what the spot, I don't think, so it's all whited out in the back so you guys can't really see.
Paint the top, eh? Yeah,
I just want to paint the top, bro. Honestly, I tried to call around, but everyone was like referring to Focus Auto. Yeah. But like they didn't have any. They had to like order them, and it would take a week or something.
Quick solution, some plasti dip.
Yeah, dude. So I hope that works, bro. Cause like,
because the only thing I'm hesitant about is like when we spray it, then we put it on.
Yeah.
It's gonna come off.
Yeah.
It's like when you're tightening it.
Honestly, worst case scenario, yeah, I could just like
go over it.
No,
or
like
just
find black ones later. You know what I mean? Whatever. Pretty insane. Anyways, we're coming along here, right, Sam?
Yes, sir.
Doing a pretty good job. Oh god. Okay, we're officially putting on the spacer.
There we go. So what we want to do is just place it on the touch ring. It's pretty much plug and play. So you just want to sit it on here. Make sure that it's...
Okay, the spacer is on. Now we're going to put the wheel on.
These are super light.
Yeah, dude, they're really light. We're gonna try them with the silver lug nuts. I might like them, I might not. I'm not too sure yet, so we'll have to see what the deal is with these lug nuts. Can I give you one? Ooh, that looks good already. That looks pretty good already. I can see how much poke there is. Yeah. Alright, well that was a bit of a struggle, but we got the first wheel on. You know what, the silver lug nuts look pretty good.
They do. I thought they wouldn't look too good, but they actually blend in really well.
Yeah, they do. I like them. Alright, we're gonna put it down.
First spacer on, boy.
Ooh, what the fuck, bro? That looks pretty mean.
Looks proper for sure. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell from the front, bro.
Oh yeah. That's nasty.
That's like...
I think 15 mil in the front might be a little too much, but we'll see. We'll see. Moment of truth.
Worst case scenario, we can always drop it.
Yeah, facts. Honestly, this needs to be lowered a bit. But honestly, I think I don't want to lower it. with the roads that we have here where I live, not too good. We just got called out by like security over there, so he told us that we can actually work on our car here. So just put on the front spacer, that looks good. Hopefully it doesn't rub. I'm afraid it might rub.
Oh,
that's pretty flush.
You're good.
That's pretty flush. Holy smokes.
No, you shouldn't rub. You should be, it's pretty like...
What's that?
It looks pretty good.
Okay. Alright, we just finished up. The car looks way better. Like, it just looks a lot more aggressive, but points out a pretty big problem for me. Now I gotta lower my car. I think we gotta lower it, so thanks to my buddy Tim. I want your opinion on what you think of the fitment. What do you think of the fitment, dude?
I like it a lot, bro. It's just like such a subtle, like, nice difference.
Yeah, but it needs to be lowered. It needs to be lowered. But you know what, these roads, it's... Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.